Substitution, number 18 now, number 19. Service. Nice service. Received by number 14, Darna, to number 7, Julie. Score 5-4 in favor of Team Sanders. Service area, Jenny. Service area, mukhang nagpapahilig pa. Service area, number 17, Kim. Nice service, received by number 7. To number 26, Jenny. Number 7 sending the ball to number 14, Fires. Four touches. Score 7-4 in favor of Team Sanders. Service area number 17, Kim. Nice service. Received by number 7, binabalik lang. To Gia, number 7, planning to set. Number 14, Fires. Number 14. Service area, number 16, May, outside. Service area, number 12, Soyon. Received by Gia to number 14, Darna. To Soyon again, to number 3 over the ball. Number 26, Jenny. Number 7. Win against 5, number 23, Diana. Service ace by number 18, Gia. Service again, number 18, Gia. Received by Soyo. Number 17, number 3 over the ball. Gia again. To number 7, Diana Short. Score 9-7. On service area number 3, Gia. With a five. Received by May. To Judy. Darna fires. Outside. Service again, number 3, Gia. Received by May to number 7, Julie. May again. Nice save. To number 14, number 23. Service again, number 3, Gia. With a style. Received by number 26, then to number 7. Number 23, Diana. Score 11-8 in favor of Team Sanders. On service area, the founder of Northern Rivers, number 14, to number 9. May pito ang referee, stepping on the line. Rossi. Nice service area, number 14, Darna. Nice service, received by number 12. To Darna again, Gia. For second ball. To number 9. Outside. Jenny with a spike to number 12. Substitution. Number 9 out, number 18 in. On service area, number 18, Miss Go. Service by number 18, Miss Go. On service area for the second time, number 18, Miss Go. Nice service. Received by May to number 7, Julie. Number 26, Miss Jen. On service area, number 23, Diana Supiri. Nice service. Second time, number 23, nice service. To number 18, over the ball, to Gia. Number 7, without over. Received by Gia. Number 7, trying to set. Jenny, to number 14, Julie. Number 14 with the pipe. Nice receive. To number 3, over the ball, to Gia again. 26 with the pipe, but no good. Score 14-13 in favor of Team Thunders. Service number 22, Faye. To Julie. Main pass. Number 16, May. Score all 14. On service area, number 7, Julie. Rep ball, crossing. On service area again, number 7, Julie. Nice service from the center. On service area, number 11, Yegi. Received by Darna.
Ano, kaninong anak to?
Kay ano, kay...
No?
Lunsan? Sis, sino nga yung sino nga mga anak, sis? Gia daw, Gia. Lunsan.
On service area, number 26. To Gia. Number 12, Mena Brown. Gia 5.
Good pa.
No good. Thunders 4.
Napagtripan ko.
Sino?
Ikaw.
Oo, sabi
Ano
na.
daw sasabi? Gusto.
Ako ba, hindi, turod.
Service area, number 17, Miss Yin. Nice service. Received by May to number 18, Gia. Julie pass. Number 7, Julie with 5. Balance sa center. Dikita lang ang score. 16-17. Service area number 16, May. With a power
Saan
spike,
kayo
but
galing? Kumain
outside.
kayo? Saan kayo galing?
Substitution.
Oh, nag-crap.
Number 19, number 18 out. On service area, number 12, so received by Jenny to number 7. Mariano Pares, but he did. Once again, number 12, soiled on service area. Received by May to number 7.
Shout out to you,
Mariano with a nice fight, but
Nanalo ang Batangas King kanina. Batangas versus Alas. Tapos ngayon, ang laro ngayon is Thunders versus Rivers.
Received by Gia to number 7, outside. Set point. On service area, number 18, Gia. Nice service, received by number 17 to number 3 over the ball. To Gia again, to number 7, Julie. Jenny pass, received by number 26, Jenny.
Oh my God!
Hello. Step forward. Service by number 18, received by number 12. To number 16, Jenny. Julie.
Hala. Mamaya, huwag dito maglaro. Sabihin mo sis. Kunyang pa. Sabu andi.
On service area, number 18.
Saram. Mamaya, harto. Sarani.
Number 3 to number 26. Tapusin na ba? Another juice, plus 2 points. Service number 3.
Nag-juice sila, no?
To number 7, Jenny Pies. Received by number 12 to number 22, Gia again. To number 7, second the ball. Jenny Pies. Outside.
Sayang.
Score 21-22. Set point from Luzon.
Mag-juice yata eh.
Nag-juice na.
Nag-juice na.
Number 14, Dana. Last ball.
Sayang. Juice ulit. Juice ulit. Pero okay din
On
na
service
Thunders.
area,
Malakas din ang
nothing
Thunders.
but Mama. Number 02, Brady. Nice service. Nice receive. Outside. Unang score. Team Rivers. Service again, number 02, Brady. Nice service. Nice receiver, number 12. To May. Gia setting the ball. Looking pass. Receive.
Sayang.
Disqualification.
Sayang.
Another score from the Rivers. 2-0. For the third time, number 02, Brady. Outside.
Outside. 1, 2.
Okay.
On service area, number 22, Pig. With a power spike.
Naloko. Natama ka ng ulo.
22, Pig.
Hindi naman puti yan.
For the second time,
Ay, pero sa video parang puti siya.
with a power spike.
Cancel. Kaya nga, hindi pa nakakain.
Service area. Ay pa. Outside.
Mula.
Score.
Wala na lakas. Wala na kami. Okay.
On service area number 11, Yeji. Nice service. Received by May. Gia. May pass. Bibig. Number 11 again, Yeji on service area. Received by number 14, Dharma to Gia. Manu fires.
Oh!
Nice receive. Number 9, Sam. On service area again, number 11, Miss Yeji. Nice service. Nice receiver number 14. Sa kawalan.
Ano na? 6-3.
Huwag mong hanapin kung ayaw magpahagat. Substitution number 3, best number 2 out. Rally. Service area again, number 11, Miss Yeti. Receive by number 16, Faye to Gia. Main pass. Outside.
8-3 eh. Baka maka-third seat yan.
Score 3-7. In favor of Team Thunders. Number 11 again, Miss Yeti on service area. Outside.
Binigay ng todo eh.
Service area, Gia.
Oh, tignan na lakas ng tira.
Gia setting the ball. Darna in the save. Score. Substitution. Number 18 now. Number 18 in service area. Receive by Payne to Gia. Payne finds again. Number 16.
Kulang sa likod. Ang sa likod. Ang sa likod.
Score 5-8. In favor of Team Thunders.
Minsan na.
On service area number 24.
Hindi ah. Hindi ko to delete kasi nga kanina. Hindi ako nakalive sa kanila.
Nice service.
Kasi nandun ako sa labas.
Service.
Yung lumabas ako kanina sis. 13 pa number. Sabi ko mamaya na ako mag-live pag ano. Pagbalik, 21 na. Last natin na.
Service area.
Kaya ito, hindi ko to i-delete. Kasi sayang.
Nice service.
Souvenir.
Outside.
Remembrance.
Service area. Receive by number 16 to Gia. Number 3, pass back. Number 3. Pass. Wapo. On service area, number 16. Main. Good ball. Number 3. Gia with a one hand. Score 10-7. Nice service. Receive by May to Gia. Number 14. Pass. Outside. Mukhang malalakas ang palo ng Rivers, puro outside.
Sayang.
Sinabi ng wag na mag-alimusal. Number 14, Darna. Nice receive to number 12. Number 3, Bess, Gia. With a back to number 10. Ang ganda na pinakita ni number 18, Gia. On service area again, number 14, the founder of Constant Rivers, Darna, receive over the ball to number 16, Gia. Number 16, the ball. Number 16, Main Joe. Isa na lang po ang kalambangan ng ating Team Thunders. For the third time, number 14. Number 11, number 16, Gia,
Nasangan lang pala.
number 3. Another score. Number 3.
Wala na.
That's the president of Constant
All
Rivers.
11. Wala, bulang layo sana.
Number 14, Darna. Nice receive, basta galing kay number 12, bumabalik lang. number 12 again. To number 16. To number 24. The big move. Pero hindi ito. Service area number 09. Nice service. Receive by number 14. To Gia. Number 10. Receive by number 18. Score 13-11 in favor of Team Thunders. Number 09 with a power serve. Habol pa ni number 18 to number 16. Gia made with a foul. Little drop. Score 11-14. Substitution. Number 16 out. Number 24 out. Number 23 in. Number 17, number 16, number 18 out. Service, number 09. Nice throw serve. Number 7, main with that ball. Stole on the line. Galing sa back row. Service area again, number 9. Miss Sel. Nice service. Service. Non-sound dribblers. Number 09. Substitution. Number 3 out, number 26 in. Number 9 in service area, Miss Sel. Score 11-17. Service again, pinapakyaw na ni number 09. Receiving number 23. And number 7 over the ball. Number 23 again. Number 7 planning to set. To number 10, Aipa. Receiving number 9. Wapo from non-sound dribblers. On service area, the Virgin Mama, number 26. Service by number 26, Jenny.
Virgin Mama.
Number 26, with a power spike, but no good. Substitution. Number 18 out. Number 18 out, number 7 in. Mukhang magkakaroon ng middle blocker ang Team Thunders. Si number 7 over the goal! Goal! Referee! Call!
Double ka na.
On service area, number 10, ang ipanang lalo ng Lonsan. Nice receive to number 16, Jenny over the ball. Another one point from Lonsan Dreamers, 15-18.
Pangit daw yung kanina. Pangit. Pangit yung laro.
Service area again, number 10, Aipa. Received by number 12. Mas nagaling kay number 12.
Naka-third set pa to. Naka-third set.
Last 2 points.
Kailangan yung suman! Suman! Suman!
Miss Yegi on service area. Received by number 14. Silvia Anglan. Miss Yegi again. Number 16 to number 7. Joe Myers. Received by number 9 to number 23. Anlanin low, number 7. Number 23, Diana.
Ano yan? Pumabalagpag! Bawal pati palagpag.
On service area number 7, the center of the universe, Yumi. John over the ball, inside. Timeout, Team Thunders.
Wala si... Ako patatapusin. Ayo ba? Si Ate Ali patatapusin.
Number 26 to number 7, number 14, Dana, to number 9, moving for the first ball, to number 14, Rekta Pius, to number 16, Yumi Sen, 16 feet apart, Yumi natin 9, outside.
Ang lakas?
Wala
pang live eh.
Ano? Sayang.
Team Thunders. Number 7, Yumi, on service area.
Matuwid dyan. May ano to?
Nice
Nakulit pala.
service. Si Paul Rizzi. Number 12 to number 26. Number 16. Number 14 to number 22. Yumi, set to number 4.
Ay, sayang. Sayang, sayang.
Score, 20.
Ala, naka-third set to ah.
Last one on Team Thunders.
Nako, may third set.
Third set sila.
May third set!
Dead ball. Timeout. Team winners.
Enjoy, enjoy.
Minsan nasa sa kanila, hindi din
Ala, sayang.
Ganyan na naman.
Last one on Team Thunders.
Isa na lang.
Number 23, Diana.
Nagsalitan.
Oo, nakita. Oo, dito. Kulang lang yung sa lambing. Sabi niya, Nako, mamaya wala ka ng lakas dun sa...
Oo nga.
Service area number 23, Diana Subiri. Service ace! Nice service, but nice receive. Receive by Gia to number 7, Jenny Mars. Receive pa rin. Score 1-2.
1-2.
Service area number 11, Miss Yegi. Nice receive by number 23 to Julie. Outside. Service again, number 11, Miss Yegi. Nice receive by Gia to number 7, sending the ball. Giving it down to number 14. Mason Sepane, Sepane, number 26. To number 7, mukhang patunda. With a jump spine from number 26. Received by number 23, Julie. Over by number 12, Sinian Lang to number 7. Manil Pares. Dinamamit lang ni number 12. Magkakaroon tayo ng low rally.
Sayang.
Score 2-3 in favor of Nonsan Rivers. On service area number 7, the center of the universe, Juby. Nice play by number 9 to number 3, number 7 to main Paris. Running the number 16.
May coffee doon.
Once again from number 7, receiving number 12 over the ball. Number 7 planning to set. Jenny Pares with number 17. The same pass to number 12. Good ball. The number 23. Ang ganda ng rally. Mukhang crucial ang ating third set. For the third service, number 7, Juby. Received by number 11 to number 26. Juby for second ball. Number 16. Salam Team Thunders. Nice service, but nice receiving. To number 16, number 7.
Ay! Nanakawan. Nanakaw.
Ang hindi inaasahang pangyayari. Number 26, Jenny.
Alam yun. Dapat iset mo sa kabila. Uy! Balo na naman kayo.
Service again, number 26. Rotation.
Open start! Open start!
Score 8-3. Nice receive to number 26. Number 7 for the first. Number 14, Leondi Mudra. Score 8-4 in favor of Rivers.
Wala daw uuwi ng Jonan!
Nice service outside.
Wala ka?
Giyatay. Giyatay.
On service area number 16, May Jones. Nice receive to number 9 over the ball. To be for second ball, number 23, pass. Receive to number 22, number 18. 16, number 20. Outside. Nice service. Receive by number 16, Juby. Number 14. Outside again.
Bawi-bawi.
9-6. Received by number 14. Number 7 over the ball. To number 16. Number 7 again. 26. Habol ang ating team, Thunders.
Huwag kang pante.
Sila number 16 to number 7. Number 8, Thunders. Timeout! North South Rivers. To number 9. Number 7 for second ball. Good hours to number 23. There's a long. To number 14.
Sayang.
Another score from Rivers. Score 10-8. On service, number 18, Gia. Received by number 12. To number 7, Jenny Parks. Outside. Very crucial ang ating third set. Isa na lang ang kalamatan galing sa lima.
Walang uuwi ng
Number 9. Service na goal. On service na goal. Number 14. The Powder, Darla.
Sayang.
Number 14, Darla. Service again, number 14. Receiver number 9. The number 26. Inside. 13-9 in favor of Team Leaders. Service number 14. By number 14.
Kaya isa na lang.
Last one po ang ating Dreamers. Number 14. Bibigyan ba o pagbibigyan pa